Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of merger. A combination of two things, especially companies, into one. For example, a merger between two supermarket chains. American pronunciation. Merger. Merger. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Merger. Say. Merger. Merger means combination of two things into one. Merger. Merger. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Legacy issues and integration problems following mergers and acquisitions. Now, repeat after me. Legacy issues and integration problems following mergers and acquisitions. The second practice. Others feel betrayed as mergers are seen to undermine disciplinary integrity. Now, repeat after me. Others feel betrayed as mergers are seen to undermine disciplinary integrity.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.